Let's check out the room at the Blue Harbor Resort. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I'm up here in Sheboygan, Wisconsin at the Blue Harbor Resort. Let's take a look at the king-size Lakeview room. All right, let's take a look at the room. So the first thing you notice here is that we have a king bed, and that's because this is a king Lakeview suite. So we can see the lake out there. The other side will face the parking lot, although there is a little harbor over there. Right here we have a closet with a safe, which is kind of nice down there, and an ironing board and a luggage rack. Everything is blue, as Blue Harbor Resort might suggest. You can see here, kind of a nice industrial finish on the walls. Everything kind of has a little bit of a New England beach club resort feel, which is kind of cool. And the shower here, tile with the bowed out shower curtain. I kind of like that the bathroom is just the smaller area here so that people still have access to the sink. This is definitely supposed to be a family place, and so it's kind of nice that everyone would have access to things without, one person kind of monopolizing it. We do have like granite finish here on the sink, and right there, hair dryer, also king size bed with the posts. Again, great beach feel to it. Kind of like this antique white wood on everything. A telephone on the nightstand here with an alarm clock, and oh, there we go. The Gideons, always very generous with their Bibles. And then we have a large mirror here. Looks like some coffee maker, and a microwave. And then we have some area down here where you definitely could put your luggage. And we have a little mini fridge, not stocked with anything, but if you do bring some drinks, I brought a jug of water. Throw that in there and cool it down. We have kind of a low boy dresser and then a TV up on this wall. And so you do have like a separate sitting area. So it's kind of nice because you have a large area. I think this is a pull-out couch. You can see that there. So you can fit other people in here. Although the twin bed, not twin size, but the dual bed, I think you can get 2 queens in here, and then you lose most of the sitting area. I think it just has like a chair, little table over here with chairs, so you can definitely do some work. They have Wi-Fi, but it also looks like they have local area network plugs, and then you do have your own little patio out here. And while it's not big, it is kind of that fiber board, so it should be pretty durable. You would be able to see your neighbors though as you peek around. And like I said, just kind of wide enough to get a chair and your feet in there, but this is the view that we would have here from the 3rd floor. There is another floor above us, and pretty nice. Now you can see a fire pit down there, fire pit maybe further over. Unfortunately, because of low occupancy, they are only firing up that fire pit on Saturdays, so I don't know that they'll use it, although I bet if you grease the right palms, they might be able to fire it up for you on any night. It's kind of cool. There's a little lighthouse out there, and then the other nice thing that I'm interested in checking out is the little Adirondack chairs on the beach area there. So it's not like a big beach like you might expect in a tropical resort. It's more just like a kind of a grassy overlook onto, I think, just the very short shoreline over there, but you can sit there and relax. And then it looks like maybe an old power station or something, or a factory way over there, but kind of cool. It's definitely got a cool look, and nicely manicured and nicely taken care of too. So it's more of a modern building with a vintage look. So that's a look at the king size Lakeview room at the Blue Harbor Resort. Peter Von Panda, out.